So on my checkout, you can see that I have added this line which is including 60.86 in taxes. So that means I have an original price of this product, that is $3.99. So taxes are already included, and that tax value is subtracted from this original price, and that value is showing here. So how you can set up this in your Shopify store? So basically I have a list of products. So I already included all the taxes into that. So I had to display that specific value here so that the customer could able to understand that how much taxes he is paying for that specific product. And once he is placing any order, so on the order also you will also see that these are the taxes value, which is 5% for example. So this product was quantity was 2 and the original price is 50. So 5% will be 4.76. So this was the taxes which I have actually received from the customer. So let me show you the settings which you have to do for your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to go to the products, and in each single product you need to enable the taxes. So let me show you where exactly it is. So here we have an option of charge tax. So you should click on that, and then you should check this checkbox. So once you are enabling this checkbox, that means you are receiving the taxes from your customers. Then after, you should go back to settings, click on it, and here you can see we have taxes and duties. Click on that. And then after, we have to select a specific country. For example, for me, I am interested to sell only in India. So click on India. And then after, you should undo all these changes. For example, if you have any value in these input boxes, so you should put it 0 everywhere. For example, in India there are multiple states, so I have to add 0 in each single state. And currently if I am selling in Jammu and Kashmir, so here is my state, so I need to add 0. And then you can also adjust this specific label. I have added IGST. If you want, you can also remove this I and keep only GST. Then after, you should click on this drop down box, and here you can see we have multiple values. So make sure that you have selected added to 0% federal tax. Maybe before that you will see instead of 0% federal tax, but you should set up added to 0% federal tax. Alright, once you have chosen this, so for all the other states also, if you are selling to other states, then same way you need to do these settings. And then scroll it down, and down below you can see that we have product overrides. So what exactly this is, I have created multiple collections, and in each collection I have added the specific value for the taxes. For example, let me give you a basic example. So I'm going back to my dashboard. So let me show you. Here I have some products and I have created some collections. So I am actually selling some products which has multiple values of taxes. For example, in some of the products I am selling under 5% taxes. Some of them has 18%, some of them has 12%, 0%, 40%. So what I did is I have created a collection 5% GST, and in that collection I have added all those products which has 5% GST. So that is very much simple. So in the same way for other collections, for example, here is the 0% GST. So whichever product has 0% GST, so you can browse it from here and then choose all of them here. So once you did all these changes, then after you can actually click on add override and then select specific collection. So for example, right here you can see that all the collections are displaying, for example, 5% GST or 12% GST. So you can choose whichever is applied here, and then after you can actually choose the specific rate. For example, I am clicking on 5%, then you can write here 5%. Alright, and then click on add override. Once you are clicking on add override, then automatically for all those products which are under 5% GST, so that 5% will be applied once the customer is adding to the cart and going to the checkout page. So that value will be displayed here. And one more thing you need to keep in mind is click on taxes and duties and make sure that all these checkboxes should be unchecked. Alright, so these are the major settings which you need to do. And then finally, for example, I'm going back to preview, And let me show you one example. So first example, I am going here and clicking on this. So right now I have 2 products in my cart, and then clicking on checkout. So here you can see that 2 items and included 83.75 Indian rupees in taxes. So that tax is already included. So let me give you an example. First example, I have to add one more product. Let me show you first example, this one, and I am adding two quantity of that, and now I have overall 1347. So click on checkout, and here you can see that I have taxes included value here, and then I need to add my, for example, address and all. Then scroll down, and if I am choosing cash on delivery, so you should click on complete order. But before that, you can see that we have shipping free and included taxes value, this one, and then click on complete order. Once you have completed the order, then on this specific receipt page, you can also this confirmation page, you also see that included taxes this much. This was the total price, and this amount is already included. So if I am going back to the orders, click on orders, and here is the recent order which I have just now created. And if I'm clicking on that, so down below you can see that CGST 18% included. So that means overall whatever was the GST value, so that is added right here, and this is the value of that amount, and this is the total amount. So that's how you are actually adding that specific tax included without adding any additional value to the original price. So if you will go back to products, so you can go here, first example, and right here you can see that we only have the original price. We have no other price added. We are not adding any additional value on top of this original price. We are just we already know that all the taxes are included with this price. All right, so that's how you can actually set up all this. If you are facing any issues or something, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.